Well, here we are at the Golitha Falls National Nature Reserve, and we're going to be going for a beautiful walk through the trees, past the water, and it's going to be great. So look forward to seeing some snaps of it. So we come about a metre away from the sign, and already I'm driving pat mad by going, oh wow! Oh, Cornwall is just so amazing. I know every area has special places, but there's so many of these beautiful places in Cornwall. Absolutely stunning. And then you've got all of the beautiful woodland as well. Look at this amazing tree. Wow, there's going to be loads of oh wows on this video, I tell you. There's going to be so many. Look at this. It's well worth coming here. It's all the walkway through. Look at these stones and this water. So let me listen to the piece. And this is all about the water for growth, salmon, otters, River Fowey. Fowey comes from the river's Cornish name, Fowyd, which means beech trees, one of my faves. The river's tributaries form 5 fingers reaching into Bodmin Moor. Downstream from the moor, the river is shrouded in gentle tree-lined valleys as suggested by its name. Wow. Anyway, I'll let you read that if you wish to pause the video. We're on our walk. And here's another nice signed board so that you can read all about it. And the salmon come up the rivers to spawn in the autumn and the winter. And brown trout coexist with the salmon and have similar life cycles. Wow. Brilliant. It's very well mapped out, this, and it's all free, and there's no car park charge either. But there's a lovely eatery there that we might go to later. On with our walk. And there's different paths you can take. We're going to take the Leith path to enjoy. Back on our walk. Just look at this fabulous land with the beautiful trees. Oh my gosh, I am loving every second of this. And then following the path along, through we go. Lovely stony bits, the banks, and then the woods. And through there you can see the water, which I think we'll be picking up again in a minute. It's just pure bliss here. Can either go that way, but we're going to come down here over a little bridge. Look at this path. There's Bucky Boo's going through the stones. And this is what it's all about. And it appears to open out a little bit more. Stone circles in these places is what Cornwall is to me. Hope you're enjoying it so far. And there's more. Look at the greenery first. And then we'll come over. Come on, Bax. And I'll show you the waters again. That power. It is so full of magic here. I would absolutely love to do a nature quest here. It would be absolutely incredible. And this bit reminds me of roots, shoots, stones and bones, with the waters of life. I'm going to end this video here and I'll do part 2. Okay, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, do the thumbs up if you've loved this so far, and press the notification bell. Okay, look out for part 2. Bye.